Hello friends, this is Rohan and I welcome you all in my banking preparation YouTube channel. See friends, I have taken this problem from last year SBI PO Mains examination. I found it quite interesting, so that is the reason why I have taken. Okay, we will try to solve this problem now. See, in a building, there are certain number of floors with each floor having two flats, that is flat A and flat B, and flat A is in west of flat B. See, the number of floors are not fixed, and only two flats are there, flat A and flat B, and flat A is west to the flat B. See, in reasoning, whenever we try to solve such a direction problem, we should consider this is east direction, this is north direction, and no, opposite to north, that is south, and opposite to east, so west direction. So from above conditions, flat A is west of flat B. That means it is left side of flat B. This is west of flat B. Okay, now number of floors are not fixed, so uh, we should remember this thing first, because number of floors are not fixed. That may be a 5 floor building or a 10 floor, 15 floor, or so on. See, C lives on an even number floor below below fifth floor in flat A. If I consider this is a flat A and this is flat B. For convenience, I will take first 10 floors here. This is first, this is second, this is third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10. Okay, see what they are saying, that C lives on an even number floor below fifth floor. Even number floor, that means that may be a fourth floor or maybe on second floor. So to satisfy this, I have to arrange one more arrangement here. This is flat A, this is flat B. See, I will write here first. I will write C on a fourth floor here, and in this arrangement I am writing C on the second floor. Next, D lives at a gap of 2 floors from C. D lives at a gap of 2 floors from C. But they are not mentioned about flat. So we should read the next conditions now. E lives immediately below D's flat. See, E lives immediately below D's flat. They that means they are living on a same floor, and uh, no one lives to the east of E. No one lives to the east of E. That means E is on a floor. E is on a flat B. That means D is also in a flat B. 2 floors gap between D and E. C. In this arrangement, I can't write D at the lower side of C, because if I write D here, it will not satisfy. It will not satisfy for E. So for that reason, I'm writing D here and E here in this arrangement. And for this arrangement, D will come here and E will come here. There are gap of 2 floors between C and D is okay, and E is living immediately below D, that is also satisfied here. And similar arrangement is for D and E. In this arrangement it is satisfactory now. 3 persons live between G and H. No one lives to the east of K. See, data for K is not sufficient to mark K's position here. So we will consider this data later on. Three persons live between G and H, and both lives in a same flat. Three persons live between G and H, and both are living in a same flat. That is okay, but G is living above H or below H, that is not fixed, and for that reason I'm not taking this data at this moment. We will see it later on. C and H do not live on the same floor. H will not come here, and H, this is not uh, this is not a place for H also here in this arrangement also. One floor is between D and F. One floor is between D and F, and D does not live on the fifth floor. D does not live on the fifth floor. Yeah, it is true here. It is living on the seventh floor. But in this arrangement, D is living on the fifth floor. But they are saying D is not living on the fifth floor. That means it is now this above condition is not satisfactory here, not satisfying here. So we are left with this condition, this arrangement now. And D is living on the not living on the fifth floor, and F does not live on a floor which is multiple of 3. There is a gap of one floor between D and F, and it is not a multiple of 3. That means F is not living on the third floor, sixth floor, or ninth floor. So there is a one gap. There is a between uh, gap of one floor between D and F. So F will come here or here. It's a bit ambiguity for this F position now. G lives immediately above F. See what they are saying, that G is living immediately above F. That means they both are living on a same floor. See, F position is F floor position is fixed now. F is living on the fifth floor. That is okay, but I can't write F at flat B, because immediately above F is living above immediately F. But they are saying that G is living immediate above F. For that reason, F is living on the fifth floor, and immediate above of F is G. J lives on an even numbered floor, about 10th floor. Uh, One more condition where we have earlier known that three floors between G and H, and one more condition we have missed now. C and H do not live on the same. Uh, Immediately below display, no one lives to the east of E. That is okay. No one lives to the east of K, and there is a number of gap. Okay. C lives on an even number floor below F fifth floor in a flat A. D lives on a gap of 2 floors between C, and E lives immediately below D's flat. Okay, that is okay. No one lives to the east of P. No one lives to the east of K. Okay, there is three persons living between G and H, and both lives in a same flat. Okay, C and H do not live on the same floor. As many floors above C is same as below H. As many floors above C is below H, and there is a gap of 3 floors between G and H. See, if I write H below G, then H will come here. But we have got a data till seventh floor, and from that minimum three persons are living. 3 floors are there above H, above Z, and if 3 floors are living above C, that means 3 floors must be below H. But if I write H here, that condition will not satisfy here. For that reason, definitely H is living above G, and there is a gap of 3 floors between G and H. That is 1, 2, 3, and H will come here. How many persons are living below H? That is 9 persons are living. 9 floors are below H, and so that there must be a 9 floors above C also. because same number of floors above C, that that number of floors should be also below H, and that for that reason 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, this is 11, this is 12th floor, and this is 13th floor. Okay, J lives on an even number floor above 10th floor. So in this building there are 13 floors now, that is fixed now, and J lives on an even number floor above 10th floor. That means J is living on the 12th floor, and K lives immediately above J. K is living immediately above J. They both are in same floor, same flat. And we have missed one condition, that is no one lives to the east of K. That means K is living on flat B. That means K will come here and J will automatically come here. And now we have reached our solution. That is the solution for this question. This is the solution for this question. Okay, we will meet in our next video, and thank you.